Alright, so we're having an awesome time. Thomas bought a new car today, though we haven't gotten it yet. Come home, and our refrigerator has died. So we're headed to go get a new fridge, which...
Throwing this away.
Yeah. Which today is Friday, and we're not getting the fridge till Wednesday. The only thing that sucks is that our wedding cake topper was in our fridge. Yeah, it's going bye-bye. Yeah, it's dead. There's no way that is going to last a year. So, I just wanted to show you guys, cake does not last a year, especially when your refrigerator dies. Alright. Sucky, sucky time. Oh, by the way, I got some really cool new shoes. They're silver. And they were on sale! I was surprised. Okay, alright. Say bye, Thomas.
Bye.
Okay, we also found some champagne from New Year's. So we're gonna try to drink this. Though we both hate champagne a lot. So Thomas is trying to...
Looney bear move.
Whoa, there it goes. I got my glass.
Where'd it go?
I have no idea where it went. Hopefully not into somebody's, Luna's now drinking it, and Thomas is drinking from the bottle. To new beginnings! Alright, bye. Oh my god, what are you trying to get the dog drunk?
He's gonna drink it.